Hi everyone. Uh, Today we are going to discuss the basic concepts of circles, which belongs to the IIT JEE topic only. So majorly my discussion is to make understanding to Telugu medium and English medium as well as. So while discussing somewhere to understand the better way, I'll use the Telugu words also. So, okay, Andy, those who are seeing my topics, my videos first time, please do subscribe. Then you will get my videos. And first, I'm going to concentrate all the basics of IIT chapters only. So please do subscribe. Today's our topic is circles. So how can we define the circle? What is the basic definition of the circle is? A circle is the locus of a point which moves in a plane so that its distance from a fixed point, its distance from a fixed point in the plane is always constant. So what it means, see, I'll explain here. So let's say think a point P x comma y is in the plane. So this is creating a path by revolving with a particular condition that its distance from a fixed point is constant everywhere on this line, on this curve in the plane. So wherever we will observe, its distance will be fixed. So that fixed point from where we are calculating the fixed distance is called the center of the circle, and the fixed distance is called the radius. So generally fixed point means center is denoted with a capital C, or in some textbooks they will denote with O also. And the fixed distance which we defined, which we are calling as radius, is denoted with small r. So basically we are telling this distance. That means CP is equal to R. So here I'll assume the center of the circle C as some h comma k. So by that we can able to define the uh, equation. We can able to get the equation of the circle. Okay, that is our next topic discussion. So basically equations of circles in different forms. How many types of equation of circles we'll be having in IIT topics is one is a center and radius form. This is the basic definition and basic equation. From the basic definition, we will get this center and radius form, then parametric form, general form, diametric form, and the equation of circle if three non-collinear points are given. So in today's topic, let's we discuss the first three topics, that is center and radius of a circle form, and parametric form, and general form. Okay, right. So comes to the first form, center and radius form. So just now we saw in the basic definition, if this is my circle, let's we take center as some h comma k, and a point P. This is nothing but locus or path created by a point under certain conditions. So that point is x comma y. So we discussed that the distance between the point and that fixed point is nothing but radius. That means Cp is equal to R, where we are assumed C as some h comma k and point P is some x comma y. So we know the distance between 2 points. What is the distance between 2 points? So distance between 2 points, distance between 2 points, A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 is denoted by AB, which is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here, let us assume this is our x1, y1, and this is our x2, y2. So we will get Cp. Cp is equal to under root of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r and a. That is equal to r. So when I'll square it on both sides, I'll get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, which is called center and radius form. Center and radius form of a circle, where the center is h comma k and r is the radius of the circle. And one more thing, what we discuss here, important thing is when I'll take two lines which are passing through the center of the circle, generally called diameter of the circle. So the line which is passes through the, or the line segment which is passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter. So how they will ask the basic questions is intersection of two lines. Center is the intersection of two lines, maybe diameters. So when they will tell longest chord or like equations, when they're given like intersection of point of intersection, center is the point of intersection of the two lines. It's nothing but we have to solve these two equations, this equation and this equation, and we should get the center. And they will give a point on the circumference of the circle. By that, we can able to get the radius of the circle. So we can use the center and radius form of the circle, and we will find the equation of the circle. Okay, we will solve the examples in the next after the completing of the parametric form. So in the parametric form, so basically here we will use the angle. We will use the angle theta. See, just we will go with a basic circle and its shape. Let's we think this is the circle, and whose center is here. And let us take, this is the x-axis, and this is our y-axis, and a point px comma y is here. So this is the center of the circle, and join the CP, which is nothing but the radius. Let's denote and draw a perpendicular from P to this one, x-axis. So perpendicular, this is the perpendicular. So this distance is x, and this distance is y. And let's we think this CP makes angle theta in the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. So now how can we take, if A is the radius here radius is A. Here what we can do is x, how can we take, x means Cm. So Cm by Cp is equal to cos theta. That means adjacent by hypotenuse, where Cm is x, Cp is A. So x is equal to A cos theta. X is equal to A cos theta. And similarly, Pm by Cp is equal to, we can define as sin theta, which is opposite to theta by hypotenuse. From here, y is equal to A sin theta we will get. So when we will square the both equation 1 and 2 and add, so we will get x square plus y square is equal to A square cos square theta plus A square sin square theta. So from where A square is common, we will get cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is nothing but 1. So therefore, we will get the parametric equation. From the parametric equation, we will get x square plus y square is equal to A square, which is also called standard form. Standard form of a circle. Standard form of a circle whose center is origin. nothing but 0, 0, and radius is a. So these are the first two forms. First two forms of a circle equation. Next, general form. Here, general form of a circle. So what is meant by general form of a circle? So from where we can take this one is, generally we have a second degree non-homogeneous equation that is nothing but ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is called second degree non-homogeneous equation. Second degree non-homogeneous equation. So in this equation, the first condition is if xy coefficient is 0, and the second condition is coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. Then we can say this equation represents a circle. What it means is b should become a and h should become 0. Then our circle equation is ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So basically, if a is equal to 1, we will take the most of the cases. So let's think a is equal to 1. So then we will discuss the general form of a circle equation, which is this one. So the general form of a circle equation is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2y plus c is equal to 0. So let us assume this is the equation 1, and we know that when the center is h comma k and radius r, circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So when I will expand this one, I'll get x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus r square is equal to 0. So let's say compare 1 and 2. So by comparing 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, in the place of 2g, we have minus 2h. That means g is equal to minus h, means h is equal to minus g. And 2f is equal to, we have minus 2k. So f is equal to minus k. So from here, k is equal to minus f. And when we will take the c is equal to h square plus k square minus r square, from where r square will be h square plus k square minus c. So r is equal to under root of, here h value is, we have minus g, so minus g whole square plus minus f whole square minus c. So from where we will get the radius as g square plus f square minus c. So for the general form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So this is the radius. How to find the radius of general form of a circle? And center h comma k becomes minus g comma minus f. So for that circle equation, for the general form of a circle equation, so we have center as minus g comma minus f and radius as root over g square plus f square minus c. So here we have different conditions for this radius that we will discuss in the next videos. So this is what the today's topic, and based on this, we have a small discussion about some examples. So we see the examples. Yes. So this is our first example based on the today's topic. Find the center and the radius of the circle 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 3x minus 5y plus 7. So basically, I'll tell you, whenever you will see a circular equation in the form of ax square, plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So my suggestion is to make the x square and y square coefficient as 1, then proceed it. So if you'll see the question, we have here 2x square plus 2y square. I'll transpose that right hand side terms to the left hand side. It will become minus 3x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. So if I'll divide with 2 on both sides, I'll get x square plus y square minus 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 2 y minus 7 by 2 is equal to 0. So let it be 1. So by comparing equation 1 with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, we will get 2g is equal to minus 3 by 2, from where g is equal to minus 3 by 4, and 2f is equal to 5 by 2, and f is equal to 5 by 4, and c is equal to minus 7 by 2, from where we'll get the radius also. Radius is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So that is nothing but radius is equal to under root of minus 3 by 4 whole square plus 5 by 4 whole square, minus of minus means plus 7 by 2. So from here, what we will get is 9 by 16 plus 25 by 16 plus 7 by 2 under root. So this is equal to 9 plus 25 plus here multiply and divide with 8 to make the denominators equal. So 56 divided by 16. So we will get this one as 34 plus 640, 90. So 90 by 16. So which can be written as 3 root 10 by 4. So here radius is 3 root 10 by 4 and center is minus g comma minus f. But that means 3 by 4 comma minus 5 by 4. So this is the first question based on the today's topic. And so comes to the second question. So this is our second question. Find the equation of the circle whose center is the point of intersection. Center is the point of intersection of the lines 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0 and passes through the origin. So they're telling that in this question, the required circle center is the point of intersection of these two lines itself. So let's solve 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So by using the elimination, what I will do is I'll multiply this equation with 3 and this equation with 2 and I'll subtract the both. So I'll get 6x minus 9y plus 12 is equal to 0. So when I'll multiply with the 2 second equation, I'll get 6x plus 8y minus 10 is equal to 0. And so I'll subtract the both. So sign changes here. So these two gets cancelled. So minus 17y plus 22 is equal to 0. So from here, what we will get? So we will get y value as 17y. So we'll get 17y is equal to 22 and y is equal to 22 by 17. So substitute y is equal to 22 by 17 in any equation. Equation 1, let's think. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So substitute in equation 1, you will get x value as the minus 1 by 17. So this is our center. This is our center, and radius they are given. To find the radius, they are given. The circle is passes through the origin itself. So center we got -1/17 and 22/17, and circle passes through the origin. So 0, 0. So radius will be the distance between O and C. So that is nothing but -1/17 whole square plus 22/17 whole square. So what we will get the radius? Radius will become 484 plus 1, 485 divided by 289. So this is our radius. So we know the center. We know the center. We know the center and radius as well as. So what is the center and radius form, Andy? So what is the center and radius form? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So that means x plus 1/17 whole square plus y minus 22/17 whole square. R square means 485/289. So according to your answer, you can simplify this one. So these are the two examples based on the today's topic. So in the next topic, we will discuss the another two forms of the circle. So which is nothing but the diametric form. And another one is when three non-collinear points are given, how can we find the equation of the circle? So before closing this video only, so once again, my request to everyone, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell icon. Then whichever the videos I will make, you will get the first. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Thank you.